Today we are in the exercise physiology lab here at Louisiana Tech University. Today we'll be going over how to use the InBody 720. Now the InBody 720 is a BIA device. That means it's a bioelectric impedance analysis device. It is used to measure the percent body fat of an individual as well as many other values. Now, the first thing is turning on the InBody 720. When turning it on, the on switch is on the back right here. Now, after turning it on, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes to load. Now this, while it's loading, it has a loading screen on it, but once it's done loading, this screen will pop up and it lets you know that it's ready. Now, when you have your participant getting ready, they need to take their shoes and socks off, and then they can step onto the machine. Now, if the participant is wearing pants, they're going to need to roll up their pants, but Zach is in shorts today, so he's going to be okay. Now, once he steps onto the machine, he needs to make sure his heels and his toes are covering the metal plate that are on the bottom. And once this is done, the machine will automatically calibrate what his weight is. Now, after his weight has been calibrated, he can enter his ID. Now, for this machine, you can enter any ID you want, but whenever the ID is entered, if it has already been entered before, the age and height will automatically pop up, as well as the gender. Now, for the gender, there's a male and female button here if you need to change it, and you hit the appropriate letter for the appropriate gender. Now, once this is done, Zach will be able to grab the handles here. Now, the handles have a spot for your thumb to cover and a spot for your fingers to cover, to grasp. Whenever you need to make sure that the participant is covering both of those spots, and then they hold their hands out to the side. Now, the top right of that screen will show you that the positioning in which to stand, and it will tell you to stand still. Now, if you're not standing still or you're talking while doing this, it can cause the calculations to be misinterpreted by the machine. This takes about 90 seconds to do for it to complete. What it is measuring right now is shown on the screen. These blue bars will come across the right side of the screen, but his weight is already there. It's measuring his lean body mass, his body fat, his BMI, so his body mass index, and his percent body fat. Like I said, it took about 90 seconds. Once the machine is done, it will tell you it's completed up here in the corner. Zach can now replace the handles back into their starting positions and step off the machine. Now that this is done, this printer will automatically print out what his measurements are, as well as we should wipe down all of the plates with an alcohol prep pad. Remember, this video was brought to you by the kinesiology department here at Louisiana Tech.